Hello, Peter. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, yes. How are you today, Peter?
I'm right. And you?
Great. I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Okay, so anyway, today we're going to get started or continue with our grammar. So let's look at this grammar form. Okay.
I mean, hello, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so we have this structure be or the be form of the verb. Okay, what are the be form of the verb? I'm,
Am
is, or are.
is
Okay, plus good at, then the verb ing. Like for example, I'm good at dancing. I'm good at playing. She's good at learning, or she's good at reading, like that. Then we also have be plus bad at plus the verb ing. Okay, so she's bad at cooking. She's bad at listening,
teacher.
like that. Okay, so how about
Teacher.
you, Peter? What are you good at?
Teacher.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can, but you're stuck.
I stopped.
Yes, you freeze. You're
Okay, okay.
freezing. Ah,
Teacher,
yes.
I have
Uh-huh.
uh I have wolf now.
Oh, wow, that's great because
It's
you're
made
very
from paper.
creative. Ah, yes, I
It's made
know. That's
from paper.
yes, that's really great because you know how to make it. So how about you, Peter? What are you good
My
at?
my friend teach me
Oh, nice.
to how
Because you're
to make.
great because your friend taught you how to make it. So maybe you're good at making paper or making what do you call that? Making
I
nails
good
out of
at making
paper.
and fish. I good at
Very
making and fish. Fish
great.
thing.
Oh,
Many
fixing. Okay, fixing. Can you please say
fishing, not
fixing?
fishing.
Fixing, like fix, like to repair something that has been broken, right? Okay, one
Yeah,
more, fixing.
fixing.
Very good. Okay, what aren't you good at?
Hmm?
What
I good
aren't
at
you good at?
making and fishing.
Okay, how about the things that you're not good at?
Mm, mm, mm,
We
mm.
have,
I'm not good at sitting in one place and don't go out.
yes, very good. Okay,
No,
now what
no,
is,
I'm not good at. I'm not good at. Um, mm, uh, speaking from many people.
speaking in front of many people, right? Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what about your cousin? Your cousin who is a girl. What is your cousin bad at?
Girl
She's
or
bad
boy.
at your cousin who is a girl.
Um, a girl said, with you am an ugly girl.
I'm sorry. Oh yeah, yeah,
The girl
that
said,
girl.
the girl said,
Yeah, that
I'm
girl.
an ugly girl. Um,
Yes.
See, now I don't live in her house. I live in my house.
Oh, very good. So what is she bad at?
She was at um uh, English and
Yes.
and writing and math and many subjects.
Ah, okay. So she's
But
worse at
she good
many
at
subjects. Uh-huh.
but she good at draw a dress
Ah, very
and she
good.
bad and she bad at many subjects.
Ah, so she is an artist. Yeah, she knows how to draw beautiful dresses. Okay, is she also
Teacher,
interested in making some dress?
teacher,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I ask you, what is this animal?
that is a whale.
Yeah, it's
Who
made
made
from
that?
wood.
I'm sorry?
It's made from wood, and my
Yes,
mom
who
have
made that?
box of I don't know. My mom buy it.
Oh, wow, that's very nice. Thank you for showing that one, Peter. So look at this one, Peter. So all of these
Teacher,
are subjects that we
teacher,
have in school. Uh-huh.
teacher. Do you want to how to know how to make that?
Oh, I know how to make that one. I used to make it when I was in primary school.
Oh,
Yes.
you know how to you know how to make that.
Yes, I know.
You know to how you know how to make that. Um, how many years ago?
It has been since I was in primary school. So that means 24 minus 6. So that's
What
no,
grade
no,
are
no,
you?
no, no. I
What
was in
grade did you
grade
in?
3. I was in grade
Grade
3 when I
three.
know how to do that one. So I'm still not sure if I still know how to do it. But yes, I made it once in my life when I was in grade 3. Okay, anyway,
Teacher,
Peter,
do Matt not
today,
know how to make it?
no, he doesn't know. Matt is very sick right now. He is
Teacher, I know,
dehydrated. Mm-hmm.
I know. All, all the question needed.
Oh, very
Oh,
good. So we have geography. Great job. Okay. History. Very good. Sport. Nice. Math. Great. Music. Science. And okay, very good. Perfect. How
okay,
about
one
this one?
minute.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I do it now. I don't know.
Wow. Okay,
Language,
languages.
but
Yeah,
I know how
languages.
to how, how to speak
Very good. So
language.
languages, languages. Languages is a plural form because there are two
Teacher,
languages
do
in
you
here,
know?
Germany and
Do you
French. All
know?
right, yes?
Do you know story name one piece?
Oh, I don't watch the One Piece series and
But
I don't
did
read
you
the
know
book
that?
too. I know that one because my classmate used to read it.
It's very interesting.
Yes, many people love the One Piece um TV show.
Conan,
Okay.
Conan, and also Conan.
Yes, that's right. Okay, how about you, Peter? What school subjects do you study from school?
I study PE IT, math, English, Vietnamese, I don't know, science,
Wow.
many subjects.
Very good. Okay, so you mentioned about IT. What does IT stands for?
IT, IT learn for IT learn for computer, how to use computer
That's
and
right.
computer. Teacher, where is math? He math sound.
Oh, Mamat is sleeping because he's very sick. He went to the hospital.
Oh,
Yes.
he
Okay,
went to the
if you can hear.
hospital.
Yeah, he went to the hospital today because he had a checkup because he has been sick for
Check it. What is
5 days. Check up. Like
check up?
if you're not feeling better, you have to go to the doctor to have a checkup. The doctor will check you up
Ah,
whether you are advised to stay inside the hospital or not. But Matmat is not in the hospital now. He is in their bedroom.
teacher,
Yes.
teacher,
Uh-huh.
what's this math ill?
Okay. Um the doctor said that he is dehydrated. Do you know what that means? Okay, that
No.
means he needs to drink more water and eat more. That's what makes him
Oh,
sick, dehydrated. So the doctor told him not use any phone, just sleep, drink more water, and eat more food. Yes.
oh.
Okay, that's why with you, you really
Is
have
he
to drink
cry?
more.
Is
Yeah,
he
he has been,
cry? Did
every
he
time that he
cry?
wakes up, he would always cry because he doesn't understand what he feels. Yes. But the doctor told
Like
him that
me,
it's just,
like me.
yes. When was the
When
last
I
time that you
sleep,
got sick?
when I ill, and when I
Mm,
sleep, I have a bad dream.
mm.
And when I wake up, I cry. And but when I have a scary dream, I
Mm.
cry. But now when when I have a scary dream, I don't cry.
Oh, wow. Very
I
good.
don't know
Yes.
why.
By the way, that scary dream is what we call nightmare. Can you please say it? Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Yes, nightmare refers to the scary dream that we have. And look, earlier I asked you what does IT stands for? IT means information technology.
Technology.
That's right. What about PE? What does PE stands for?
PE is study for smart.
Okay, that's right. We have here physical
Basic education.
education. That's right. So PE has many branches, same with science. It can be sports, art, dancing, and exercise. Those are all in PE. Okay, wow, you
Teacher,
made a
teacher.
crown out of your nails. Very
Yes,
good.
because it's too hard.
Yeah, too small for your big head. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Peter,
Teacher, do you
uh-huh.
do you have do you have do you have nightmare?
Oh, yes. Okay, but last night I didn't have a nightmare because I was so tired from traveling. I went on a vacation last Saturday and Sunday. So I was so tired from traveling, so I didn't have a nightmare because I was able to sleep so well
Teacher,
last
so
night.
can you tell me what did you dream in your nightmare?
Okay, so the last nightmare that I had was I dreamt about monsters. chasing
Monster.
after me, and I was flying in the sky. Yes, and the monsters
Flying.
are yes, that was so scary. Like the monsters are in front of me, beside me, behind me, and I don't know where to go. They can also fly. Yes.
Oh, and
So
you can fly. So
yeah, I can also fly, but of course, I was chased by many monsters. So, are you going to to just fly on your own? That's why I woke up and I cried. Yeah, it's not as scary as how it sounds like, but when you dream about it, you'll be very scared. And when you wake up in the middle of the night with that dream, you'll be very scared. Like, oh my God, why did I dream about it like that? How about you? What was
teacher,
your, uh-huh.
teacher, I dream when I play, there is a big red fireball chasing me, and I run, and it go through of me, and I die.
Ah, okay. Yes. Did you cry on that dream?
Sometimes I
Yes.
meet, I have did that dream many times when I
Ah,
ill.
yeah.
I
Yes.
have.
Yes, same with me. I really don't know what does that dream means. Okay, but we just have to pray when we dream about bad things. Okay, so what's your favorite subject in school, Peter?
My favorite subject. Mm, uh, do you know?
I
You
don't know.
think?
Oh, I think it's math because your mom is a math teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very good. That's a good guess. Okay, what about the subjects that you don't like? What are those?
Um, I don't like Vietnamese, but I like English
Wow, why is it that you don't like Vietnamese?
because it's rhythm and I no, it's right. It's right. It's right a lot, and I don't write. I write a bad letter.
Ah, okay. So yes, you're not a good writer
Teacher,
or you
this
hate writing. That's why you
the
hate
when I
Vietnamese.
this when I do
Yeah, yeah. Okay, how many score did you got for that one? Ah, yeah. But you know what? You are just how old are you? You are still young. You can actually develop your penmanship with
I'm
how you
10 years
write.
old.
Yes, you're just 10 years old. So once you got into the secondary school or in the tertiary school or you enroll in the university, you will develop your penmanship because there are teachers
University.
who don't like terrible writing or terrible penmanship because they couldn't read. Oh, but you can be a doctor. A doctor, like most of the doctors don't have a
Yes,
good
yes, yes.
penmanship.
A doctor write a ugly letter.
Yeah, that's right. Do you want to be a doctor?
Yes. I like a
Very good.
doctor. Teacher. How
Mm.
is the weather
The weather right
in your
now is a
country?
bit rainy. It's
Big
showering.
rainy.
Not heavy rain, just showering. Little amount of
So
rain.
like me in weather in my country is small raining.
Ah, okay. So when you say small raining, that refers to showering. So you can just say the weather, oh, it's showering here. That means little amount of rain. Okay. So, Peter, which subjects are difficult for you?
Mm, I think um I don't know.
Okay, so for me, the
But
most
I
difficult
think
subject
this
is math.
is writing.
Ah,
Writing.
still writing. So you really don't like writing. Okay, you know what, Peter? You
Yeah.
are good at math. Most of the time, like if someone is good at math, they are terrible in English. But if you are good in English, you are
My
terrible
mom
in
teach
math.
me fast math.
Oh,
Math
very
lesson.
good. Okay, do you know so
Teacher, I
fractions?
write that for you.
Okay, sure.
This, this is. You can find in in Google internet.
All
Math,
right.
math. Nice. See. Can you see it?
No.
So I write again.
Okay, sure.
Can you see that?
Oh, yeah. Math Nation. Oh, yeah, I know this one. This is what your mom teaches at, right?
This sub that sub name is A plus.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, I've heard about this one from last time. You told me about it, and this is where your mom teaches, right?
Yeah,
Very
magnesium.
good. Thank you
Do
so
you
much
know
for
that
sharing that
subject?
one. No, I don't, but I know this is a company that teaches students who are terrible at math.
Uh, yes, it teach a terrible student to a best student.
Ah, well, that's really good.
No,
Same thing with bees.
to a to a better student.
That's right. Same thing with bees. Okay, not all students are terrible in English in here, but most of the time they want to practice learning English, especially their speaking skill. So Mathnasium wants students to improve their mathematics skills. Okay, so anyway, Peter, you listen to me and tell me the subject. Number one, teachers might tell you more famous facts about the past in this lesson. So what lesson is it?
Ten famous. Uh, um, history.
That's right. Okay, number two, you have to count and perhaps add numbers
Math,
together. That's right.
math,
Okay,
math,
when you
math.
study this, you might learn about rocks or caves.
Yeah.
What is something that you study and you learn about rocks or caves? What is it?
Um, and geography.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so you practice talking and listening to your partner and learn new words in these lessons.
Hmm. It's a language.
That's correct. Five, some students learn to play different instruments and tunes in this class.
Ah. Uh, music.
That's
I see the
right.
answer.
Very good. So that's perfect. So for this time, I want you to look and complete the sentences about art. So what's number
My
one,
mom,
Peter?
teacher, my mom can play two instruments. Is guitar
What?
and piano.
Wow, your mom is actually talented. She knows how to speak English. She's a math teacher and she's also good at music. Wow. What about you? What instrument are you good at?
This is.
Piano. Very good. Okay.
This is my, this is my, and this is my dad.
Yes, and your guitar. Did you also learn it from your mom?
No, my dad is better than my mom. But
Ah,
my mom study art teacher, and my dad only play when he think it's right, and he don't study.
oh wow. Yes, that's great because there are musicians in your family, which is your dad. Okay, so what about number one, Peter? Let's complete the sentence in here. So your teacher shows you how to blank with pencils in this lesson. So what is that?
Art, artist,
Okay, artist.
painting, or draw, or paint.
Okay, what's your final answer?
Let's see. Draw.
Okay, you how to draw with pencils. That's right. How about number two?
Hey, I'm correct.
Yes, you are right. What about number two, Peter?
You are very good at painting.
Okay, so if you are very
Let's see
good
your
at
answer.
drawing, you usually enjoy doing this
Uh,
class. Okay, what about number three?
da 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 da. Ah, painting, teacher,
Okay, are you sure?
teacher.
Yes?
Do you know a song named River Flower in You?
No, I don't.
You mm, need to hear that because it is a beautiful song.
We're going to listen to that one after this task. All right. So what about
After
number
this class,
three? Yes, after this page. Okay, so what's your answer in number three? You sometimes use brushes, clean water, and blank in this class. So what is it?
painting.
Okay, and
Answer.
paints. What about the last one? In this subject, some students look at blank by famous blank. Do you? So what are the two blanks in here to complete the sentences?
Painting.
Okay, look at paintings by
Yay!
famous. Very good. By famous who?
My famous actors.
That's right. Very good. So for this one, how many score have you got? One, two, three. That's 3 out of 5. Nice, Peter. Now this time, Peter, let's listen to your song. What's that called?
River Flower in You.
Ah, River Flower in You. So let me share my screen. I'm probably familiar with this song. It's just that I don't know the title of it.
River Flower in You.
Like this?
No. Yeah. Piano.
Like this one. Let's look at this. Like this? Oh yeah, I know
Yeah.
this one.
You know this song, but you don't know this name.
Yeah, I know the song, but I don't know the title of this song.
You are just too young to find the senses in your life, looking for something else,
Is this correct?
like the dreams that you had.
But I usually hear piano song. I don't know. I don't hear that song. And
Ah, Okay. So yes, this is a very good song, and the lyrics are so great. So yeah, this is a good way for you to practice your piano skills and your English skills by singing this song. Anyway, Peter, it's already time. So we will just end here. Thank you for your participation. Have a good night and see you on Friday. Bye, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.